So with the knife, like if I were gonna chop something, I would use this part of the blade to cut if I was gonna do a tartare or something. But if I want to do really fine knife work, like take the skin off the lime, I'm gonna use the tip. Which is why the tip is created this way. You have very little surface area here, so you can really cut through things like a lime peel, like butter, and really come across here. And so the knife will turn with the curve of the lime, because if you try to do it like this, it wouldn't work. So this is why this tip is really important, so you can do small things like this. Right? And then if you want to come back, this is where I use the heel of the blade, and we'll come and make little lime sections. You see how easy it is? And you have to be careful, because again, if I put too much pressure, this will cut through the entire knife and through my finger very quickly. So I don't know if you can tell or see, but like I'm using such little pressure to make these things, because when your knife is sharp, you don't need to do that. And I can even come across here and now come back and make a super thin,
Hold it back.
like almost paper thin, lime wedge. And to me, I don't know, this is when cooking gets exciting, when you can really start to kind of make things very micro